Hey, what's up, my people? This is Archon Forex here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video right now, that means you want to know the setup that you need to be looking out for in your chart every day. So how do you know this setup to be looking out for? So let's say we are on a bullish trend, went to enter the market. We already know that the market will retrace, yes. So how do we know? Where do we wait for the market? That's the question, right? So now, this now bring us to this setup I'm talking about. Now, let's say market is around here. The market is around here. Excuse me. The market is around here, and you have your low here, you have your high here. So with this two level here, that's only what you have to pay attention to, which means this is your trading range. Now, when you have this low here and you have this high here, what should we now do? All you have to do is to what? Bring out your pre level, mark it out, and mark out your what? 618 and 0.5 level. Now, this is it here. You mark it out. So you mark it out. This is your 618, 0.5 and your 618 level. Now, you have to wait for market to come into this place before you look for your entry. Do you understand now? This is your high. And this is your low. So you have to, this is your what? 0.5 and 618 level. All you have to do now is to wait for market to come into this level and give you your entry confirmation before you ride it back up. And most of the time, around this level, which is your 0.5 or 618 level, most of the time, there are always a kind of demand zone around here. And do you understand now? There will always be a kind of demand zone around here, or a kind of consolidation around here, most of the time. So with that, is additional confidence for you. So if you have that and the market is moving like this, market is coming to this level, all you need to do now is to look for some criteria. There are two criteria that you need to look out for here, which is this move that is moving to this upside, this your trending range face like this, has to break structure like this one here. It has to break structure, which is one here, which this has already did. It has break structure here. Then this one also has to break structure, which means it has to give you something like this. It has to give you something like this. Come back here like this. So you now started moving. That's it. It has to break structure. You know, this here now, it has a break structure here. You have to have a break of structure here. Then you test them before you continue moving. It's as simple as this. It's always happen. It's always present itself in the market every day. Now, let's go into the chart so we can see an example of what I'm talking about. This is GBP USD. This same strategy is what I use to take this trade presently, that is running presently. This is the same strategy I use. Let me show you. Let me explain the trade so you can see. So as you can see, this is a live chart. You can see the chart is moving. Now, this is the same strategy I use. Now, this is what I'm saying. I have this trend now. You can see this is the uptrend, right? So now, let's say market is moving to the upside, and we have a last low here before we have this breakup structure, and we have this high here presently. You see, we have this high here presently. So then what I will do is just to mark my level from this low to this high and wait for my trade at this 618 level. It's as simple as that. That's the same process I use it. This is the same strategy I use in catching this trade. When the market come to my level on 618, I waited for this market to give me a bullish engulfing here. You see, bullish engulfing here. So after the bullish engulfing, I enter the trade. So now you are in profit and the market is moving. So that's the strategy I use. Now let me look for another example so I can still go, so you can see that it's really, really working. Now this trade as well, this trade here is also the same strategy I used to take this trade here. I think this trade was last week Tuesday. So it's the same thing. I used to take this trade here. What did I look at for? This is my low and this is my high. So mark it out. This level here, I mark this level here. Then I wait for my market to come to 618 and give me this bullish candle here before I enter the trade. As you can see, the trade ETP. So let me look for another entry, another way. Let's look for self scenario here. Let's look for self scenario here. In this trade, as you can see, market is coming down. Now we have this trade here, this high here. So these are our low, right? As at the time, these are our low. So we map this low here right now. Yeah. And where's our criteria? We have it here, break of structure. And this one as well, market comes to tap our 618 here. Then, as you can see, that's it. It always works. Always works. Here as well. Same thing here as well. This place. This is the low. This is a low here. And this is our high here. So we should wait for our market at what? 0.5 and 618. Just that most of the time, as for GBP/USD always expect 618. But as for Euro/USD always expect 0.5. So that's it. And so market come to this level, 618, then you move. Same thing there. You have our criteria here. Yes, market break the structure here, and market also break the structure here also. So then market move. It's as simple as that. So that's how to click for this setup. Any pair at all you want to do, any pair, look out for it, do your assignment, and so that you can see, but test it very well so you can see that it's actually working. So this is how to trade the chart setup. It's as simple as that. So there are still some criteria that you still need to look out for. There are some metrics around this strategy that you need to know, which is such as where to take your profits and where to put your stop loss. Those are the very crucial place to know on this setup, and how to handle the trade generally. So you want to join I'm running a one-on-one mentorship program right now. If you want to join my one-on-one mentorship program, I'll put a flyer up here. The banner is up here now, right now on your screen. You see a WhatsApp number there. Message me on that WhatsApp number and let's get you started. So I'll teach you from complete beginner forex trader to a professional forex trader. So you know what to do on the chart and how to go about it, how to build your psychology, how to know what is going on in the forex industry. Now, so the flyer is up here. Message me there on the WhatsApp or on all my social media platforms. It's also there. So thank you very much.